Okay, Delta Romeo East, Andy. Delta Romeo 629, Operator Tony's calling you. QSK, Chichester.
Sorry, I wasn't looking at my radio to give you a signal report.
Okay, Andy, you're coming over here, nice one. You're coming over here 775, back into Birmingham.
Yeah, you're the same this way, mate. 5 and 7 here.
Yeah, that's nice, Andy, nice one. Cheers, Andy, nice one. You carry on.
Telford's 100 miles from me, in a straight line.
Yeah, I've got you here on a 5 and 6, mate.
Yeah, cheers for that. You sound a bit wobbly for some reason tonight. I don't know why. You normally come through really clear.
Oh, I don't know, mate. I don't know if it's the wind or what. I don't know. I'm still new at this.
No, but you really do. You normally just come, because I know where you are. I've never been to it, but I know where you are. Because, you know, I spoke to you the first night. I spoke to John and Max.
Alright, okay. Yeah, roger that.
Alright, I'll let you carry on. Thanks for the copy.
Yeah, thank you, mate. John, I'm going to have to pass it back to you. I'm just going to take this phone call, mate.
Okay, no worries at all, Andy. Yeah, all the other stations that can hear Andy is just going to take a phone call and he will be back shortly. Catch you in a minute, Andy. Let us know when you're back. The other QSK, QRZ.
Fox Bravo 20, Chichester calling.
Okay, we've got Jono, Fox Bravo, 20. Jono, good evening.
Good evening, John. Not bad, mate. It's a bit noisy today. Just about San Diego 1, Radio 3 at the moment.
Roger, Jono. I've got you, Radio 3 also, and around about Signal 2 at the moment, and I've had to put a little bit of filtering on to hear you, but good to hear you, Jono. Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year to you too, sir. Thank you very much. Nice to have made the contact.
Yeah, good to hear you, mate. As always, Jono, good to hear you, as always.
Could be a little bit of
Jono,
frequency
keep
there.
listening if you hear any stations. We've got a couple down that way, actually. And we're going to get them to give a call out in a minute. If you can hear them, go back to them, Roger.
Roger.
Okay, the other QSK, QRZ.
31 Division.
31 Division, good evening, 31, 26, Tango Charlie, 74.
26, please.
Yeah, 26, Tango Charlie, 74. 26, Tango Charlie, 74.
OT 26, Tango Charlie, 74. Good evening, my friend. This is 31 Romeo Charlie, 688. 31.
Okay, station and radio check, standby. Good evening, 31, Romeo Charlie, 688. Good evening to you in Portugal. You've got John this way as the name, Julia, Oscar Hotel November. You're 5 and 8, the middle part of England, Roger.
Roger. You were 5 by 7. 57, very good propagation on this evening to UK and also to France. My name is Angelo. Alpha November Golf Echo Lima Oscar. Angelo, about 25 kilometers to Lisbon, the capital. QSL.
Roger there, Angelo, no problem at all. Angelo, we've got many stations on this frequency, and I'm sure that some of them would be able to hear you and would like to be able to give a call to you. Is that okay if I get some of my friends to give you a call, Angelo, Roger? Okay, who's got a copy on 31 Romeo Charlie 688?
Yeah, I got him loud and clear.
Station radio check, standby. Go on, Sean.
Yeah, no problem. Angelo, this is 163 Division, Tango Charlie 76. 163 Division, Tango Charlie 76, Angelo. Do you copy?
Yeah, Roger. Very good copies for Wales. Okay, 163 Tango Charlie. 76. You are 5 by 4, 5 by 5. 54, 55. QSL.
QSL there, Angelo. No problem at all. Yeah, you're 5 and 7. 5 and 7. 57. My name is Sean. Sierra Echo Alpha November there, Angelo. Thank you very much. Did you get that, Angelo? Angelo, did you get that? My name is Sean.
Yeah, QRM, okay, many stations on that side, okay. This is the first contact with Wales. This is my first contact for Wales, 163 division. Okay, my name is Angelo, okay, you see 100%, and I receive you 54, 55, my radio is a transceiver, a Charlie radio Tango, Sugar 9R100 with 65 whiskies in the power. Microphone is original, and antenna it is a vertical serial 5.8, about 12 meters off the ground. QSL?
Yeah, QSL there, Angelo. No problem, there's loads of other stations we'd like to try and get back to you. I'll pass it back to John, I'll pass it back to Cam, we'll see if we can get somebody else to you. Thank you very much, Angelo. 73 for now, Georgia.
Okay, thank you, Angelo. Thank you, Sean. Anybody else got Angelo?
Yeah, Angelo, Charlie Tango 5588. Call in, Angelo, copy.
Okay, I have another station calling me, but it is low station. Please try again.
Yeah, Charlie Tango 5588. Charlie Tango 5588. Call in, Angelo. Charlie Hotel Romeo India Sierra. Chris here.
Please try again.
Charlie Hotel Romeo India Sierra. Call in, Angelo. Call sign is Charlie Tango 5588. Over.
Negative. I only listen the Roger bit. Okay, I listen only the Roger bit.
Yeah, no problem, John. Back to you.
Okay, good attempt there, Chris. Sorry about that, mate. Anybody else picking Angelo up? Well, we've still got a little bit of propagation.
Yeah, John, I can hear him.
Okay, Angelo. Okay, I have another friend that can hear you. He's up in the north part of the UK, and his call sign is 26 Tango Charlie 2016. Please give him a call, Angelo. 26 Tango Charlie 2016.
Okay, let me try. 26 Tango Charlie 2016. 26 Tango 2016.
Checking my mic gain. It's up as much as it'll go. Which is probably where I am. And I'm very weak on audio anyway, to be honest. No, I've lost everyone. And it all went quiet.
Somebody.
Oh, 31 Division, Portugal. If anyone wants to know. He's not far from Lisbon. Let's have a look, see how far that is actually. I was looking at that.
Okay, 3-1, Romeo Charlie 688, Angelo, copy?
Lisbon, capital Portugal, okay.
Okay, unfortunately, lads, I think the propagation's dropped out. We'll give them another try. 3-1, Romeo Charlie 688, Angelo, do you still copy? 26 Tango Charlie 74?
1,000 miles. 1,000 miles.
Okay, hopefully we'll get some more in a little bit later. Yeah, Mikey was over in Portugal, Roger.
I've got him this way, John. He's coming back to you.
Roger, yeah, no worries at all. And did you say something, John? 331?
He's coming back to you there, John.
I tell you what, John, give him a call. I have lost him at the moment.
I've got him here, but it's a little bit down there, John, but he was coming back there. 31RC, I think it's 688. Angelo, Jolly Roger, 3C1 with a group trying for you.
Yeah, I've lost him. Amazing how propagation works and skip.
He's gone now, John, but he was coming back to you at one stage.
Roger, yeah,
Certain parts of the country will
he come up quite strong,
hear
and
someone,
then he just faded
someone
off
else
when he
won't.
went up to Martin, but Martin lost him as well up in County Durham. I can't hear Martin tonight, actually. I've got a little bit of noise. I don't know if it's from the weather or what it's from, but there we go. I tell you what, everybody have a listen out for John. He's down in Stratford upon Avon. He's Jolly Roger 331. John, give a call out, mate.
I just wonder, John, if I could go back to Rob for a minute, he's still by there. I think it's Tango Charlie 05. Jolly Roger 331 calling you, Rob.
Hello, John. Jolly Roger 331, it's Tango Charlie 05. How you doing, mate?
I'm fine there, Rob. How's you keeping? Not talked for a little while there, but you went a good laugh about a week ago, didn't we?
Yeah, for some unknown reason, I don't know what happened. Everybody seemed to do a vanishing act. Yeah. Well, I managed to, I was got Nashville, Tennessee. Very loud as well. I was quite happy I managed to get into it. So that was a good one in the log. And quite surprised you were using an old Kenwood 140.
Ok, consele, primo Alfa Tango.
Here we go.
31 Romeo Charlie 688, ascolti bene?
Because they're not doing a lot there, Rob, to be honest with you there. Pulling bloody Christmas decker down there, Rob. That's fair. Lady likes to put lots of stuff up. So it's taken down and put away again, isn't it? So it's up in the loft many times there, Rob. We went a good try last week, didn't we? A lot of stations called in there, unbelievable. You know, to start off as a latter as such. As you do, you got flipping Spain, Portugal, and Sicily Islands. I thought it was about here. I'll see for one point there, Rob.
Yeah. All right, well, listen, I'll let you go and get around the country, and I'll listen out to you in the week, mate. Just a quick thing, I've got Richard Tango Charlie 37, he's coming around tomorrow.
Dell'apparato qui si sta UCRT Sugar 9900 francese e la potenza 65 watti.
Okay there, Rob. All the best there, mate. And I was talking to Chris there, and he said he was the better looking one. I didn't disagree. That's such there, just for a laugh there. All the best, Rob.
Che Francia ha molto buona propagazione qui, questa è
I'll do a call out there, John, if I may there. Any sessions by the frequency, the Jolly Roger 331, listening.
Go on, 331, when allowed, mate, you got Mid-Wales calling.
Hi, hello there.
Hello there, you're Sean here, Mid-Wales, Tango Charlie 76. 8 miles safe in Newtown, Mid-Wales there, John, yeah?
There goes there, 76 there. God, I was still up that way there. That's true. No, it's John this way. Chile Oscar Hotel November. I'm about 7 miles south of the Stratford Lane in there.
Yeah, Roger, hang on, CQ, hang on, somebody saying CQ, hang on. Yeah, go on, John, yeah, I'm 8 miles safe in Newtown, I am, mate, let's say Tango Charlie 76.
Roia, QFL, sì, è un piacere anche per me parlare con te.
How you guys there? You're about 1,400 feet above me, mate. I'm in a well.
Ho parlato con Brasilia anche poi, ma in questo momento non si ascolta in Sud America qui a
Okay, I've got them coming through as well. It is very solicited. And the best you was 5.5 this way. 5.5 there. But a lot of continentals calling in.
2022 a te e tutta la famiglia, grazie.
Okay, my mate, you take care. All the best there. Have a super 22 there. Any stations, obviously, here in JR, 331. Jolly Roger, 331.
John, you got Tango Charlie 101?
Hi, 101.
Good evening, John. Hope you're well, mate. Yeah, just over in Coventry, just at the home base there, mate. And you're 5 and 8.
I've got you 5.7 this way. Really nice audio.
Oh, thanks for the flowers, John. Oh, nice one. Yeah, I've not really been on the radio much. Not been very well, I'm afraid. So, yeah, I've been pretty quiet. So we're glad to know it's working okay. All right, John. I won't keep it. I'll let you. I can't even talk properly.
There you go, there. Hey, I hope you get better soon there. Lovely audio.
Right, we'll do another video. Please like and subscribe, guys. Please like and subscribe.
Thanks for that. Well, you're coming in nicely. I've got a little bit of a noisy band tonight, but you are making it through. But so I'll let you put another call out. All the best, John. Happy New Year.